Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So in this today's video I am going to checking out this new app called Mindori. It helps with stress and easy to use for everyone. Let me show you how it works. So first you download it from App Store. It's free to download, then you can sign in with Apple ID or Google account. I am using Google for now. It asks for some permission, which is normal, just basic stuff, so the app can work properly. Now it asks some questions about you, like your name, gender, and things that might be hard for you, like if you have trouble focusing or starting task. So basically these questions help the app understand you better, so it can give you better help. Pretty smart actually. Then you can read terms and privacy stuff. Always good to check that and click next. Once you click next, the app can connect to other apps as well, like health or your calendar if you want to. This helps it understand your stress better. Here's the pricing plans, but I have redeem code, so I am going to use that instead. So you can see the code is now worked. Now I can use all the features. When you first get in, it show you how to use everything. Really helpful for beginners. So now let's customize it. In your profile you can pick different themes and colors. This is really nice because you can make it look how you want. Look at all these color options. You can make it feel more comfortable for you. Okay, so now let's take a look at the features. First, there's a Pomodoro timer also. You can change the time and break length like I did here. Great for focus. Then there's a task. You can add task here. Set timing. States are optional. I added a task and look out the main page. You can see all your tasks by date, so it is super organized. There is also routines where you can add your daily routines. You can also add your habit. This helps you track good habits you want to build, like drinking water or exercising. You can check them off each day. And the to-do list is different from task basically, because it is for quick things like you need to remember, like buy milk, call mom, etc. This feature is also so helpful. Here's the cool part: stress level tracking. You can add things to help with stress, like meditation or listening to music. It gives you options, and there is an AI chat where you can click here and it asks some questions about how are you feeling. Then you can ask for tips or advice, like having a little helper. It also tracks steps, heart rate, sleep, either from your other apps, or you can set daily goals. And finally there's a meditation video and relaxing music. You can listen it too. So that's Mindori. It's got everything: timer, tasks, habits, AI help, and stress management. Pretty cool for one app. So quick disclaimer: this is not a medical advice. Always talk to your doctor about any health or mental concerns. This is just my review of apps. Let me know in the comments what do you think. So that's all for today's video.